Sili niya sa asawa ko, sa asawa niya. Sili niya kung mapakay ko, sili niya, wala ka sa may makawiran, mga skising ko, ipadala mo sa akon. No? Ipadala mo sa akon ng kwarta. Sili sa asawa, yes, padala mo. Now, natabo. Napakain ba na? Gin-fulfill sa asawa ang gin-promise sa bana. So, natabo is damo sa kwarta. But why one ang asawa? Yes, kata ko sa imo tanan. So, he wrote a check, no, up to the last centavo, and then he put it in the pocket of her husband. No? So everything was there. But the money is with the wife. The amount is with the husband, no? The whole amount of his money, but the money is still in the hand of the wife. So, everything will fade away. So, importante is nga nagkakabuhi kita, no? Nagkakabuhi kita nga nagkahimo sa mga bagay for the glory of God. Everything will fade away. So, niya si kasi Paul nag-mention things, niya poured out as a drink offering on their behalf. No? It is na nag-refer sa out sa nag-practice of pouring wine on the top of animal sacrifice, no? So that the heat of the fire immediately vaporizes the wine, turning into a beautiful aroma. Si Amor na sa nagkapanan niya na actually yung explanation na. He is saying, no, even if I end up losing my life for you, it won't matter to me as long as you live for Christ. So, with that statement, we come to the bottom line of Christian service. I wonder how many of us can truly say that it doesn't matter whether we live or die, so long as the people in the follow the Lord. Amo na natin yung mga inside data. No? It doesn't matter whether we live or die, so long as the people follow the Lord. It doesn't matter whether we lost everything, as long as we serve others and follow the Lord. So, the joyful unity of believers in Christ offers a powerful testimony to the world that God of love, which is great, active and eager to bring others into His loving family. So, amo na joyful unity of believers. Nag-offer kita ang powerful testimony to the world that God of love, na preach is real, active, and eager to bring others in His loving family. So yan, therefore, my beloved, for my dear friends, as you have always obeyed not only in my presence, but now much more in my absence, continue to work out your salvation with fear and trembling. So, ano ba namin to work out, we need to practice ang ating pagkakas. So actually, working our own salvation or working for our salvation, hindi na siya one-time experience. It's a lifelong process actually. It's a lifelong process. Hindi siya nakakatago na instantaneously sa ating pagkabuhi. So, it's a long-time process. But if you have the knowledge of who saved you, ina sa mga impulsos kita sa ating pagkabuhi. So, okay. Alay na kita. Yes, kapag na namin. Application. Actually, hindi mo siya application is just for niya. Ayaw. To display our unity, it has been part of another. We need to impact, hindi hampak. No? We need to hampak muna sa ang lamang Jesus. Ang bukat ano na lang. We need to impact the lamang Jesus. Para sa na? I gross encouragement. We need encouragement. I need your encouragement. No? You need my encouragement. We need encouragement sa ating resurrection. Kedua, of course, ano mga bagay we can display our unity by taking involved in the ministry. Sabi ko, ang mga tao wala malasin madula sa simbahan. Ang i-realidad niya, no offense man, kung ma-hurt ka din, hurt ka lang kayo, no? Ang mga tao na dali madula sa simbahan are those people who are not involved in the ministry. Those people nga who are PPP. Ang bagay na ni Peter